Welcome back to Muppet Mayhem, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to turn this Ernie plush into this Ernie Puppet. Rubber ducky, you're the one. You make it so much fun. Lift his shirt up and then cut a hole on this seam the width of your hand. Remove some stuffing to make a path to his head. Make sure you remove enough stuffing to make your hand go around his mouth. Put a hole in his arm. If you're right-handed, do his left hand. If you're left-handed, do his right hand. Then insert your arm control rod. Watch our arm control rod video to find out how to make one. Now you have your Ernie Puppet. Rubber ducky, you're the one. You make it so much fun. Rubber ducky, I love you. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching. Bye.